Hi, I bought this product about 4 months ago and I love it. The name is Strap Stop Baby Safety Strap. I think it's so called because it actually does what the name implies. If you are a parent who has a toddler that is able to remove his or her hands from the car seat strap, this is the product for you. It is suitable for use with most types of pushchair, harnesses, backpack, and high chair. It has anti-slip clips which keep the strap stop in place, and it secures your child also in their car seat, and it will give you your peace of mind. I used to suffer in the hands of my 3-year-old toddler.
Okay?
Some months ago. Whenever we are driving, this boy will remove the hands from the strap, hold on to my seat and pull, and then we will have to stop somewhere along the way to try to get him back into his seat and strap him again. And this continue for so long, and each time that we are driving, I kept looking back to see whether he's removing his hands from his car seat. I never had the peace of mind. So I looked onto the market to see if I will get a product that will be able to keep him in his car seat without him being able to remove the hands. The first product I came across was the 5-point plus car seat anti-escape system. I bought that one and tried it for about a month, and this boy, immediately he started using it, was able to maneuver his way out of that. And so I became desperate and then started searching all over the net to see if I would get something that was better than that. And I came across this particular strap. It looked so small, and so I said to my wife, how can this small product be able to actually do what it claims it does? Because the 5-point plus car seat is big, and it covers the chest of the toddler.